7. Theories of Intelligence Explained. Welcome to our deep dive into the fascinating world of intelligence theories. You know, it's a cosmic question in itself. What does it mean to be intelligent? For centuries, thinkers have grappled with this very question, leading to a multitude of theories about the human mind. Today we'll explore 7 different theories that have shaped our understanding of what it means to be intelligent. Get ready to expand your mind. First up, we have the Unitary Theory, also known as the Monarchic Theory. It suggests intelligence is a single, all-powerful force in our brains governing everything we do. Think of it as the supreme ruler of the mental kingdom, but is it really that simple? Can one factor explain the vast spectrum of human abilities? Real-life examples show this might not always be the case. Meet the rebel, the Anarchic theory or multi-factor theory. Proposed by E.L. Thorndike, it challenges the idea of a single intelligence. Intelligence is like a mosaic made of independent abilities working together. Instead of one ruler, we have specialists, each with their own expertise. Hold on tight, because things are about to get even more interesting with Robert Sternberg's Triarchic Theory. Sternberg says, hey, intelligence isn't just about acing those standardized tests. He divides intelligence into 3 parts: analytical, creative, and practical thinking skills. So you might be a whiz at solving equations, but can you think outside the box? Can you navigate the complexities of everyday life? Sternberg argues that true intelligence encompasses all of these dimensions. Let's travel back to Charles Spearman and his two-factor theory. Spearman noticed people who did well on one mental test often excelled in others. He proposed G, a general intelligence factor influencing overall cognitive abilities. He also acknowledged S, specific abilities accounting for unique strengths and weaknesses. Chapter 5-9 Mental Powers. Group Factor Theory Explained. Get ready for a mind-expanding concept. L.L. Thurstone's Group Factor Theory challenges the idea of a single intelligence. Thurston identifies 9 distinct mental abilities, called primary mental abilities, each governing different intellectual activities like verbal fluency, numerical ability, and spatial visualization. Thurston argues these abilities are independent of each other, meaning you could excel in language without being a math whiz. Chapter 6. Beyond the IQ test, Gardner's Multiple Intelligences. Buckle up for a revolutionary idea. Howard Gardner's theory of multiple intelligences redefined intelligence. It's not just about logic and language. Gardner included a diverse range of abilities, from musicality and kinesthetic intelligence to interpersonal and intrapersonal skills. Each intelligence is valuable, challenging the idea of a single intelligence. Chapter 7. The Heart of the Matter. Emotional Intelligence Explained. Now let's dive into the fascinating realm of emotional intelligence, or EQ. It's the ability to understand and manage our own emotions and those of others. It's about empathy, self-awareness, and social skills. Research suggests a high EQ can be as important as a high IQ for success. What's your intelligence style? 7 theories offer unique perspectives on intelligence. It's not just about solving puzzles or memorizing facts, but the diverse ways we think, learn, and interact. Which theory resonates with you? Unitary Theory or Gardner's Multiple Intelligences? Let us know in the comments below. Like, share, and subscribe for more content. Keep those brains buzzing.